Today I'm going to show you how to use a graphite pencil and this metallic color to draw and paint a dog. Okay, let's take a look. I would like you to use a finger, like a draw with your finger. You can trace, you see that? To see where you're going to put the dog, like that. Okay, that's good. And I'll know the location for the dog. So the face over here and the back coming over here. First, draw a little bit, a really light. It's okay. You can use graphite if you think you will need to erase some of the pencil mark. Okay, the ear. This dog is very cute. Okay, now I know where I'm gonna put the dog and the leg over here. That's good. Now I'm gonna start draw the head. You can follow me step by step. Let's do the head like this. Be determined. The dog doesn't have to be one way to look like. And the nose and the mouth, little curve like that. That's good. And the eye. Okay, the head of the dog. And then the back over here. Now the front of the dog. And put a couple lines, look like the here. Right, coming, continue over here. I'm gonna stop. Leave a little gap, it's okay. Now, moving, curve, and the back over here, and okay over here, have the stop, showing some hair actually coming down. And that's the one, the back leg, like this. Move the curve, and coming up, like that. I know you can do it. And then the front leg, like that. There's one. This kind of dog, the legs are very short. Okay, now coming up like this and showing another side because in the back, so it look a little bit shorter than this one. Okay, we're gonna do one more front leg. Like that. That's good. Now we come to draw the ear. Maybe the ear coming over here. Here you go. And I have a little bit seeing the inside of the ear. Like that. Put 3 dots over here and then another one. And move a little bit because his ear is kind of soft. And that is the nose. The nose very dark. And let's see. I'm gonna have a little bit. You can see the mouth like that. Okay, now we're gonna color it. Before I do that, I want to erase some of the soft pencil. You can use any eraser you have. Okay, now I'm use my water brush. Now I'm gonna see what kind of color is my dog. First, I'm gonna put 2 colors. One is maybe some little metallic color, little white. First, I'm gonna take this color. I'm gonna put it on everywhere. You may not really see it right now. After you dry, it look metallic, really nice. Because pencil, it won't melt, so it stayed in place. And I even have this little gray metallic color, like that, coming to the leg over here, and then the belly between the 2 colors, like that. That's nice. Now the rest, I'm gonna have, maybe I'm gonna use this color. This looks really nice. I can mix color, you know. I can mix this color. You know what? I'm gonna use this color. I like this color. I haven't used this. Okay, like this, mixed together. Here we go. Now I'm gonna start from the top over here. The top of the lid, top of the head, and here you go. I'm gonna paint it around, and that the inside stay a little white. It's okay, like that. And coming down over here, a little soft metallic color, and then I'm gonna coming to the body. Here we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more. That looks really cute and beautiful. This dog must be a girl. Like that. And then on the nose, I'm gonna put a little bit of this color, but I'm gonna make it even darker. So I'm going to use the black metallic color. I'm gonna put it right over here. So let the two color fade into each other. And I'm gonna add a little bit cast shadow. So look like the dog is standing on the ground, like a painting around over here. I can see a little bit like that. Now I just clean my brush into my water bowl, and I can soften the outside edge. Now the dog standing on the ground. Look like it. Now this painting is finished and looks really cute. Now it's your turn, and also let me know what kind of animal would you like to draw next time, and tell me what is your favorite animal today.